Hello, everyone. I hope you all are doing well. This is Tony. Today we are gonna be doing another cooking video. Okay. Today we're gonna be doing some veggie with sardine. We have beets, cut up beets, and tomato, small potato. No, not potatoes. Tomato, and some serranos, some yellow pepper, some green pepper, and some ginger with some olive oil and salt. And this is what we're going to be cooking today. Okay, we're going to be turning on the stove. Okay, the stove is on. And first we're going to be putting on some olive oil. Let's put a little bit, not too much. It's a little bit, a little more. And we try to level this a little bit. See if we can level it. Okay, a little bit level, maybe a little more. Yeah, sometimes the ground can be kind of unlevel sometimes. So, okay, here we go. Gonna be shaking. Make sure all the oil is in all the pan. So, put it back in. Let it cook a little bit. And let's see here. Okay. I'm gonna get the water out of the sardine. I'm not very fond of water. It's in the on skillet, so it's not good for the skillet. Okay, we're gonna be put on red beets first. Okay, so that one is the hardest to cook. So red beets, and this is good for the heart too, and the blood. Yeah, so trying to eat healthy. All right. Okay, all that's in there. We're gonna be getting the spoon to stir stuff around. So, all right, so let it cook a little bit. But I know that beets you can eat it raw too if you want to. But I want mine to be a little soft. So, all right, let's see here. We'll let it cook a little bit. And then I'll probably put the salt last probably. So, and the last piece I'll put in is the sweet mini tomato. Yeah. Let it cook. So this is pretty simple cooking really, you know what I mean? It's all veggie, you know what I mean? Sardines already cooked already, so it's quick and simple. Anyone can do it, yeah? So simple cooking. Okay, I'm gonna put in some ginger. Okay, ginger in here. Ginger. Okay, and I want to put the rest of the bell pepper, green pepper, serranos, and yeah, everything the rest. Let it cook for a little bit. Okay. Even though it looks a lot, it's not really a lot because once it start cooking, it's gonna strain, you know. So, oops, one green pepper, we just got lost. All right, and we're gonna put the sardine right now. All right. Oh. Okay, everything's in. The sardine in. I wanna try to break the sardine, yeah. So I'm gonna let it cook for probably 5 to 7 minutes, you know. So hopefully everything's gonna turn out good. And I'm gonna put the sweet tomato last because it's kind of soft, so it doesn't need to be cooked that much, you know what I mean? So. Okay, and I'm gonna put on some salt. So this is pretty simple cooking. Anyone can do, you know what I mean? And it's quick, it's easy, you know? Not too much mess, you know what I mean? Because everything is already cooked already. It's like the veggie you can eat raw if you want to, you know what I mean? But I want to have some taste to it, you know what I mean? So that's why I'm doing this. And I want to warm up the sardine, you know what I mean? So let it cook for, I think, 7-10 minutes, you know what I mean? So. Okay. Alright, let me show it to you. Alright, simple cooking. See that? It's already cooked. Anyone can do this, you know what I mean? So it's not hard really, you know? Just getting everything ready, you know what I mean? Cut it, you know, into size, you know what I mean? And yeah, you know, put in a bowl and light up the fire and voila, your food's ready, you know what I mean? So it doesn't take that long, really. It's just simple cooking, you know what I mean? You don't need to be, you know, doing all the crazy stuff you don't need, you know what I mean? So yeah, all you need is olive oil and salt, you know, and that's it, you know? Like pretty decent size of protein, I think, you know, sardine with the beets, with the green pepper, with the bell pepper, with the serrano pepper, you know, for a little bit kick, you know what I mean? So, and the sweet tomato, you know what I mean? So I'm probably gonna put this one last. So almost cooking. I can put more, but like I say, you know what I mean? It's not too much space left, okay? So it should be good enough. As long as you fill up the whole you know, cast iron skillet, you're good, you know what I mean? So let it cook, you know what I mean? Let it get smaller and smaller, you know what I mean? So, and yeah, you know. And if you got one more protein, you can, you know what I mean? You can always put some meat in there or some chicken, but chicken is just too much work to do, really, you know what I mean? It just takes forever to cook, you know what I mean? And this is easy to cook because it's simple, really, you know what I mean? It's quick, easy, on the move cooking, you know what I mean? So, you know what I mean? You don't have to worry about, you know, preparing everything, so fancy stuff, you know what I mean? Yeah, that's all you need. Simple cooking, you know? And yeah, this is how I eat, you know what I mean? And this is what I do almost not this like this every single day, you know what I mean? But once in a while I do this, you know what I mean? So, but mostly almost the same thing, you know what I mean? Simple cooking stuff, you know what I mean? Whether I cook chicken, beef, egg, or veggie, you know what I mean? So it's pretty simple, you know what I mean? So right now it's already almost cooked already. So yeah, quick too. You know, you don't have to worry about, you know, being fancy and stuff, you know what I mean? And yeah, this is definitely a good meal. Ready to go, you know what I mean? So yep. It's probably gonna fill you up, you know what I mean? If it doesn't fill you up, you can always eat some bread, you know what I mean, if you want to, or eat some fruits like banana, you know what I mean? apple, you know what I mean? So yeah, whatever you have, a strawberry, you know what I mean? So, but other than that, this is how I cook, really, you know what I mean? The simple, humble way of cooking, you know? So, nothing too fancy, you know what I mean? Yeah, so, it doesn't need to be, restaurant quality, you know what I mean? It doesn't mean, you don't need anything like that, you know what I mean? All you need is to be healthy and good, and that's all you need, yeah? But like I said, you can switch it around, whatever you want to put in, you know what I mean? Broccoli, you know, anything, even potato you want to, but it's up to you. You know what I mean? But this is the quickest way to cook, really, you know what I mean? For me, really, you know what I mean? So I can go, I'm a vegetarian, you know what I mean? I can go either way, but most likely, I am a meat eater, so I love to eat meat, so, you know what I mean? So, but today is a cooking channel day, so this is what I'll be cooking today, yeah? So. Now it's just let it cook for a little bit, and then I think it's ready. You know what I mean? It doesn't need to be that cook. You know what I mean? So you know. And yes, I lost a piece, but that's fine. I'm gonna throw it in the trash. You know. So simple cooking. Okay, I'm gonna put the tomato in now. I'm gonna put the tomato. All right. All right. Yes. Ready. Look at that. That one looks so delicious. You know what I mean? So tasty. Yeah. Yeah. Really tasty. Even though I'm not a chef, I look like I cook like a chef, really, you know what I mean? So, like I say, I'm not a chef, but I still can cook, you know what I mean? So, hey. And it's simple cooking. You don't need to be a rocket scientist, okay, to do this, you know what I mean? Anyone can do it, you know what I mean? If I can do it, you can do it. You can do it too. Simple cooking. So, alright. I guess this to be ready. I'm gonna turn it off for now. I hope you all enjoyed my simple cooking video for Nomads. If you do, please give me a like, comment on what you think of it, and subscribe to my channel if you're new. Until next time, I will see y'all.